Good day everyone, good day classmate, ma'am, good day. This is my report about sustainability and corporate social responsibility or CRS. Sustainability in strategic planning, incorporating environmental goals into business strategies. Example, renewable energy adaptation. Incorporating environmental goals into business strategies is a company is taking steps to reduce its negative impact on the environment. Use renewable energy. Consider incorporating renewable energy sources such as solar panels or wind turbines to power your business. The role of triple bottom line or TBL in strategy formulation is a management concept that helps business consider their social, environmental, and economic impact when formulating strategy. It involves people, planet, or profit. The organization impacts society and its stakeholders such as employees, customers, and local communities. Muna siya ang kuwan sa people, sa planet. The organization impact the environment and its sustainability. So the profit, organization, financial performance, and stability. Sustainability. The organization, financial performance, and its ability to generate revenue and profit. So muna siya. Some example of TBL. The TBL can help organization drive business transformation, mitigate climate change, create new revenue stream, improve the work environment, or improve standing communities, or deprioritize financial performance. Muna yung mga kuan sa TBL nga mo help makatabang sa organization. Drives business transformation by encouraging leaders to consider everyone affected by the organizations. The TBL can help companies move toward more sustainable system and models. Mitigate climate change by encouraging organizations to consider the environmental impact. The TBL can help reduce the effects of climate change. So, dakong role ang TBL sa usa ka organization nga makatabang siya sa pag-sustain sustainability sa atong ibalay mo na siya o na sa atong planet. The organization impacts the environmental and its sustainability. So dapat mo cooperate yun ang tanan mga organization or mga tanan firm nga tanan businesses nga mukuan yun sila aning atong labi na kini sa climate change, di ba? So mala siya. Example sa nagkuan mga companies nga nagkuan ani nakiusa aning kuan kaning SM Primes Green Building Initiatives. So na sila yung mga programa bahin sa green mobility, cycling encouraged with accessible bicycle storage, cyclist showers room, and convenient access to safe lanes to public transit. Napodre green landscape. The SM Aura Premier Park covers over 55% of the building, uses recycled water. So recycled water and provides enough room for plants to grow while protecting the building and people from heat. So napo ilang isa po nga eco-friendly materials, locally manufactured and recycled materials and products were used whenever possible, with more than 80% of the project's construction waste recycled, filtration system maintained, and minimum efficiency rating of the 90% to eliminate airborne particulates. So muna siya ang ni kuan pod ang SM sa ni tugon sa atong nitugon sila sa climate change or na sustainable sa atong environment. So CSR as a competitive tool, corporate social responsibility or CSR. With CSR as a part of a business, operations and clearly linked with their mission, strategy and goals, companies can show their strong belief in social and ethical leadership. This build their reputation. This build reputation and can lead to greater trust and loyalty from customers and employees alike. Transparency, communication, ethical practices, stakeholders, expectations, brand reputation, or customer loyalty, stakeholder capitalism. So, muna siya, corporate social responsibility can help build trust and loyalty with stakeholders in numbers of ways, including muna siya, transparency. Being transparent about CSR initiatives is key to building trust. Stakeholders and increasingly scrutinizing businesses for their commitment to ethical practices. Honest communication is a critical driver to stakeholders engagement. Companies can communicate their CSR efforts internally and externally through regular reports, newsletter, social media, and other channels. Muna sila na ethical practices, muna siya stakeholder expectation, brand reputation. So, customer loyalty. Now, customers are more loyal to companies that care about society and the environment. Di ba? Companies that actively practices are aligned their corporate values with the well-being of broader stakeholder groups, mga stakeholder capitalism na siya. Develop packaging for the future. Muna ang kuan sa kibali ang Nestle ni kuan po daning kuan. Since 1993, Nestle Philippines has progressively reduced the amount of its packaging including plastic. Mo nang gi-remove nila ang mga plastic. Kay way ayaw ng mga plastic nga tawag yun. Ang mga basura, di ba? Or removing the packaging altogether while continuously ensuring the product quality and safety. Gi-ensure yapon sa Nestle nga biskan pag giutro nila ang ilang packaging sa ilang mga product nga nagyapoy quality and safety. By the end of 2020, all our ready to drink o RTD products will have transition to paper straw. Read more about this achievement. So nakuha na sa Nestle nga ilan na nang nakuha to by 2020 nga kasagaran ng ilang straw is kuan na siya. Kabantay mo kanang straw sa kuan, karton na siya. Pag higop nimo sa kanang mga Nestle product, mga juice nila, wala na dayon, di ba? Wala na straw. So usa pud nakatabang po na sa environmental nato sustainability. They are working on a shift to mono-material packaging for our products. This transition will make our sachets packaging designed for recycling without sacrificing the quality and the safety of the product. So, CSR can help a brand differentiate itself in a saturated market by building relationship with existing customers. For example, a home goods store that losing customers to a warehouse might offer free consultation and deliveries to build customer loyalty. So, where are some ways of the differentiate a product in a saturated market? Understand customer. So, ang CSR mo kuan pud tong mga gagmay nga mga mga nagtinda nga nagkuan pod sila consultation and deliveries na to build customer loyalty. Kibali kuan pod sila ba kanang mga gagmay nga tindahan na good store, a home good store, mga sari-sari. Understand customer, learn about your customers' needs and choices. Usa pod ang CSR nga nagkuan pod ana. Define value position, communicate what makes your product unique, innovate, keep improving your product. Excuse me. Personalized interactions, focus on the value of you bring to the customer. Focus on experience, put the customer first. Mo gina siya. Research competitors, know your competitors are doing. Kuan na siya kanang sa mga measuring impact. Ita. International Sustainability Standards Board o ISSB. Muna example sa mga nagkuan pod sa mga mga ahensya para na the ISSB develop standards for sustainability disclosure that are globally comprehensive and quality assured. Napaisa Global Reporting Institute o GRI. The GRI is an independent non-governmental organization that provides sustainability reporting standards. A good environmental, social, and governance o ESG strategy can give a company competitive advantage by helping in it fulfill pretender and contractual obligations. Centralizing data collection and management tasks can also help ECG teams standardize practices and improve data consistency and reliability. So, na mga ahensya nga kuan sa inyong company kung naabay mo'y gibuhat yun sa bahin sa atong environmental sustainability. Nala po ni ang kuan KPIs, key performance indicators, tanawa, that can be used to measure a company's corporate social responsibility o CSR performance and environmental impact. Diba? Such as carbon footprint, energy consumption, recycling rates, water usage, carbon intensity, waste reduction, employee volunteers hours, or customers training hours. CSR has become a priority for many companies because they recognize that their ability to generate profit indirectly linked with their social and environmental impact. Biskan pag nagkuan gyapon sila sa environmental, ang ilang kuan na generate gyapon profit sa company. Mo na ang gikuan sa kuan KPIs nga kuan na monitor gyapon ng CSR sa carbon footprint na measures the total greenhouse gas emissions that are indirectly related to a company's operation. Para lang mga dagkong company, di ba? Dagko na sila mga dagko sila nga company, kusog sila mo og energy consumption sa kusog sila mo burn og carbon. Kay mo man atong kuan sa atong power supply karon labi na sa laing nasod. Nag kuan lang sila sa fossil fuel, man pagsunugon siya, grabe siya kuan jud carbon, makadaot yun na sa atong ozone layer. Mo nang atong kalibutan init na kayo, nagkuan sa global warming, di ba? Nagkuan na atong mo nang ang CSR o labi na katong TBL mo ni sila ganing KPIs nga monitor yun ng carbon footprint, energy consumption, mga recycle, labi na kanang waste reduction, kaning dakong kumpanya dako yung waste nga mga kuan labi lang unsa ang ilang waste nga paglabay sa ilang mga waste, kung largo ba dito sa tubig or na ba sila waste repelling station kanang i-refine pa nila para paggawa sa ilang waste dito dili kayo makadaot sa atong kapaligiran. Okay, so nausahan ang Jollibee Food Security Programs under Community Impact. Ang Jollibee, the planet pillar of the Jollibee Group's agenda is focused on improving packaging. Para po sila sa Nestle, di ba? Dili sa tuwa. Sustainability, improving packaging across its operations, reducing food loss and waste in both in manufacturing process and store operations, reducing energy and water consumption. Usa pa ng Jollibee gapon. Fostering employee and community engagement. Ang Jollibee nagkuan sila community, nag-engage sila para usa ilang mga project para the company through the social development o Armed Jollibee Group Foundation o JJF also initiated mangrove reforestation activities in Pangasinan and Cebu. Employee volunteers from Jollibee Worldwide Services Logistics, Red Ribbon, Big Shop, and Janet Foods Corporation recently planted 2,250 mangrove in Alaminos, Pangasinan, and Carmen, Cebu. So mo biskan pag kanang mga dagkong kumpanya para ng Jollibee, ng Nestle, nagkuan sila, nagyapon sila gihimo nga wag yapon pre aning mangrove. So gakuan gyapon sila sa atong kuan environment nga makuan gyud sila nga parang na sila gibuhat ani atong environmental sustainability. Ang mura to siya tanan nga unta dili lang kay ang mga dagko nga kumpanya, dapat tanan individual nga mo kita nga tao nga mutabang pud ta bisag ginagmay ra kayo nga atong gibuhat, makatabang pud ta sa atong environment. Kay ahamon magsugod ang dako nga impact sa environment, di ba, nagsugod sa gamay. So, kita nga lumulupyo diri sa atong planet Earth. So, mo to siya. Thank you very much, Mama. Chup chup.